Today, I'll be showing you all how to be SUB-10 with Ortega method. The first step is making a single side. For this step, you don't have to make a layer. So, let's say I make the red one. So I do it like this. And as you can see here, it's not a layer, it's just the side. The next step is ololo. Next, we have to do the top side. For this case, with one color on top, put this one right here and do this algorithm. This time there's no color right here, however, so do 180 and do this algorithm. For this case, there's 2 yellow bars, so do this algorithm. This one has only 1 bar, and these two are facing in opposite directions. This case has 2 bars, one of them is oriented. Like the last one, there's an oriented bar, but these two are not solved. This final case has 2 diagonal pieces. Hold this one right here and do this. The final step is PBL, where you solve the entire cube. If the bottom layer is solved like this, and there's a bar in the top layer, hold it like this and do this algorithm. Here, the bottom layer is also solved, but this time there's no bar in the top layer. So hold it in any way and do this. If there's 1 bar in the bottom and 1 bar in the top, hold the 2 bars in the front face like this and do this algorithm. This time there's only 1 bar, so nothing else is solved. So hold it in the top layer and do this algorithm. Finally, if there's no bar anywhere, just hold it in any way and do this very simple algorithm. Some tips for Ortega method is to be color neutral and plan out as much as you can during inspection. So for example, here I see there's a lot of orange right here, so I'll start with orange. And the opposite of orange is red, so I need to keep an eye on the red pieces to solve the top layer. So if you enjoyed the tutorial, consider giving a like. If you hated it, however, well, I'm sorry. Consider giving it a like though. Also, if you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel. My 100 subscriber special is coming very soon. Alright, it's time for shoutouts. So, today we have H-Perm. And here's Z-Prime Cubing. And Elephant Cuber. Now, I'm pretty sure I already gave you a shout out, but, you know, I'm a nice guy, so, yeah. And finally, we have Ragcav. Hopefully I said that correctly. Now, recently, you've asked a good question about our real names. However, that is a story for another time.